Hey, real quick, this video is a long one, but if you stay to the very end, you're gonna find yourself with a little surprise. That's a tease, and here's the video. Happy New Year to all of you out there. I hope you had a fun and safe one. I'm assuming you're probably a little hung over, and this is probably the best time to give you a channel update and the goals that I want to have for 2023. I always like to set goals because I feel like when I do set them, it gives me something to reach for and try to obtain them. And hopefully you do the same. Let's take a quick reflect though what we did in 2022 on the channel with your support. Got my notes here right on my phone, so it makes it a little easier for me, obviously. First of all, I just wanted to say thank you for all of the support that you give this channel, not just to me, but this community. I love the comments that you guys give to each other to help each other out. And because you guys are so awesome, we actually hit 20,000 subscribers on this channel. Saw a video not too long ago about it, but just again want to say thank you for hitting such an awesome, immaculate number. But because we hit 20K, we also hit, stick with me now, 682,000 views in the year of 2022, which accumulates to 38,000 watch hours on this channel. And we got to 50 active YouTube channel members in this community right here that help support this channel. Thank you so much. Those are pretty impressive numbers. But you know what? I think that we can actually do better going forward, and I'm really excited. So I kind of broke down all of my goals for this channel. I have channel goals, I have content goals, and I have monetization goals. But before I jump into those goals, I really just want to say again, thank you so much for all the support and the continued support. It really means a lot to me that you show up for my videos. It really means a lot to me that you show up for my dumb jokes, my entertainments, my tips, my tricks, everything in between. And it makes me smile when you guys leave me comments and let me genuinely know that it helps you out. It really means the world to me. I read every single comment that you leave that seems valid and not toxic. There are some, but that's for another video, but those even make me laugh. And I just want to say thanks so much. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit like and comment on those videos. And if you haven't, you can do that extra little step by hitting that bell notification and setting it to let YouTube notify you when there's a new video that comes out from me to let you know to watch it. The faster you watch it, that helps with algorithms and all that fun stuff that probably bores you. But I also would love it if you could go above and beyond again and, subscribe and follow on my social media accounts on Twitter and Instagram and whatever I throw down in the show notes at any video. But again, thank you. Now, enough with the sappy, dumb stuff. Let's move on to the goals because those are fun. And again, that's what we're here for. So in 2023 for my channel goals, I would really love to double our sub goal of what we have. So going from 20 to 40, which is pretty insane to think about since I really only average about 600 subscribers a month on this channel here. So what's probably more reasonable is trying to set a goal at 10,000 subscribers that I want to add. So get to 30K, which means I still really have to push hard. But I think we can do it if I come out with some really good content, refine my, the content, the niches, what's trending a little bit, and try to help you out a little bit more, but I think we can do it. Also, want to hit, stick with me, 150 active YouTube community members on this channel right here. Right now, we're at 50. I need to add 100. YouTube channel members really help support my channel because you're monetarily choosing to help support my channel. And you can do it for the low price of $1. There's different tiers down there, but it really does help because all of those funds just go right back into the channel. More art supplies and canvas, better lighting, camera, audio equipment that I can afford and upgrade to, editing graphics and all that fun stuff. It really helps. What would be awesome if we could just do a total sellout? If I could just get a quarter of my YouTube subscribers to become YouTube channel members at least $1 to $5 somewhere in there. We got 5,000 people giving me $1 a month. Sellout mode activated, but that's pretty lofty and I'll settle for that 150. I've also been working on a merch store. Now, merch stores on YouTube are actual film strips that go below the video player or over to the side, probably on your right-hand side of the video player right now, that allows you to buy merch from me. Working on fun designs, things that I think would be good for not just the everyday artist out there, but something I think would be cool and fun to wear, you know, not just repping my face, because trust me, I know I'm beautiful, but not that beautiful. I'm not fashion beautiful, but working on a merch store that I think would be fun for you guys out there. And I really, really want to strive to get a sponsor for one of my videos or videos in general. Sponsors really help pay the bills. I know we all get tired of advertisements and adverts in the beginning of the video, but if that helps pay the bills, which means I can make more content for you, I'm all for it. But I'm always going to stay in tune and focus with what this community loves. So I want to find a sponsor that, I don't know, probably falls in line with what I like and what you would like. So art related, I love drinking, so something with, I don't know, something fun and adult, I don't know. But I think it'd be really cool. I would love to get one of those, so that's a goal for me. Now let's move on to my content goals, and you know what? They're pretty easy. YouTube Shorts have been doing well, especially for subscribers on this channel here. So I'm gonna try to do at least one short per week, hopefully, to help grow my subscriber goals. So stay tuned for that. I would love to know what kind of shorts you'd like to see, or which ones best resonate with you. Do you like the educational? Do you want funny, or maybe something in between, or completely different? Please let me know in the comments down below. I'm also going to do more intermediate and advanced tutorials on this channel. My goal has always been that I felt like there was not enough educational painting videos starting from the basics to build confidence out there. Everybody treated you like you knew something, or you went to art school and you should know, you know, certain rules, or the rules of third, or what colors can go on other colors, or color theory, all that, you know, jibber jabber stuff. I never liked that. I didn't know anything, and so I taught as if I knew nothing, because I knew you probably didn't know either, and I like to hold your hand and build confidence. But since we've got enough of videos of those out there right now, hey, it's time to migrate into some more intermediate and advanced videos out there. I'm not doing away with this fun, easy, simple videos, because those 3-minute painting videos people really love. And sometimes it's fun just to get your brushes wet and do something really quick. But gonna be doing some more intermediate and advanced videos probably once a month, because those do take a lot of time and energy and editing and a lot of that stuff. So stay tuned for that. I also want to do some more different styles of art. I love landscape, but you know, we've done some videos with Tally with acrylics, and those did really well. I love doing my acrylic liquid pours. Those do okay, but I find those fun. They sell amazingly, which is why I do them. But I also love doing photography and video here. So I want to show you some other art styles that you can use, even if you're just going to use them for reference photos. So that's something I'm going to introduce a little bit more here. Plus, I know so many artists, and I keep saying this, but I want to bring them on the channel so we can do some fun things and expose you to new art, so that way you can explore your creative juices. And that's pretty simple. Those are all my content goals, if you believe it or not. And then we got monetization goals. You know, I've been working on an art store in late 2022, and I just stopped. Life got in the way, but the real AKA answer to that is girls got in the way. I started dating and didn't have enough time for a lot of that stuff, but I want to finish my art store, so that way you guys can buy art or buy things through it that can really help you out, or lead you to certain supplies and educational material that you might need. It's going to be not a one-stop shop. It's going to be basic, but still something that would be good to help support me. But also, if you want to buy my art, you can. Then I also want to let you know that I want to start selling prints of perhaps my reference photos. I love photography, like I said. Those will probably be done through a third-party provider. Stay tuned for who I pick, because I know a lot about drop shippers and art stores and print shops and all that stuff, because that was a big portion of my life when I worked in e-commerce for retailer shops. So I know a lot, and I want to share that information with you, but stay tuned, because I will probably be moving into that. No time frame on when that'll happen. And I get this question all the time, but I'm going to start probably doing one-on-one sessions, selling my time. Obviously, my time is worth something. Not sure what that price is, but we'll figure it out. If you want some painting lessons, one-on-ones, tutorials, or just somebody to jam out and talk some art or anything about, I'm going to be here for that. I'm going to set something up where obviously we can do it one-on-one. Not sure how we're going to do it yet. Video, Discord, we don't know. We'll figure it as we go. But that's something that people have asked me consecutively every month on my channel, if I do one-on-one sessions or help or teaching. And yeah, I do, just haven't really thought of a way to make it easy or accessible to y'all out there. I just thought of one more goal for my content that I knew I put at the bottom, but I forgot to put in the right spot, is more live streams. I don't know the set of number of live streams I want to do, but I know I'm at least going to do one a month. Everybody loves them. I don't get a lot of people that show up, but the people that do are hardcore. I appreciate, and they love what I do when I review other artists out there and their creations that they make. I really wish I had somebody do this when I was doing art. I would love it if somebody gave me honest feedback. They told me what works, what doesn't work, what sucks, what I should change, or just give general direction or tips and tricks on why you're struggling at certain parts. It's really awesome, and people always give me the nicest compliments on direct messages after I finish reviewing the art. It's overwhelming and it's very nice, but I want to continue to do that because I feel like it's a great way to reward my YouTube channel members. So that's pretty much all that I think that I can do at the moment, at least that I put on my list. But I do have a question for you, plus one surprise if you made it to the end of this video here. I'd love to know, what would you like to see on this channel? And be honest. If you like to see less of me, more of the art, hey, that's fine. You want to see certain things from a simplistic side? Cool. You want to see just advanced stuff? Cool. Just tips? Cool. Some ASMR painting style time-lapse videos? Cool. I love to know what you guys want on this channel. This channel isn't just mine. Yeah, I'm the face and the handsome one here, but it's our channel. I always try to provide you a value. I always try to make sure that you walk away with something, even if it's just a smile or a little chuckle that I got to entertain. But let me know. I love to tailor things around what you guys want and want to consume. Also, like I said in the beginning of this video for a short little blurb, I want to reward my YouTube channel community out there, all 20K plus of you, and I want to do a giveaway. Not sure how I'm going to do it yet, and I'm thinking of giving away a Gamblin 1980s series paint set, the one that you saw me do in a video before. I thought I had it here. I don't, but I'm thinking of doing that, but then I realized that's not available in different countries. So what I might do is do a giveaway for that paint set, but if somebody wins it outside the US, I might just do the value of what it would be in your denomination as an Amazon gift card. So stay tuned for that. Not sure when I'm gonna do the giveaway. It will be obviously in January at some point. And there will obviously be rules, and you'd obviously have to give me your information. So if you don't feel comfortable with that, I feel you there. We'll try to find a safe way of doing it. I don't really care who you are. I'll ship it and then I'll be done, and I won't think about you again for the rest of my life, just to be honest. But let's wrap this up because I didn't think the video is going long. I could see that it's already 13 some minutes, and this was supposed to be like a 5-minute video, but who cares? Just want to say thank you and have a happy new year. And 2023 is going to be fun. I'll see you later.